On this video, I'm going to answer a question and give you an auto repair shop marketing strategy that will guarantee you management success. So buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If this is your first time, we're all about growing your car count, income, and profits so that you can change the lifestyle of everyone that you care about. In other words, we eat, breathe, sleep, car count. That's why we've got new shirts. So I told you I was going to answer a question and give you the #1 strategy to market your auto repair shop. The question was in a previous video, and I'll link it up here. I asked, which one do you want? Do you want a customer to get a sale, or do you want a sale to get a customer? On that video, there were a couple of comments. George said he wanted a customer to get a sale. On the other hand, Ike said he wanted a sale to get a customer. Thank you both. I really appreciate you leaving comments. While we're talking about comments, what do you think about that? Eat, sleep, breathe, car count. Good idea? Let me know in the comments below. But getting back to the video, I asked a question and there were obviously 2 different answers. And I said I wasn't going to answer that on that video, so here's the response. Before I answer that question, let me tell you this. This is both a strategy as well as a mindset. And at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal something that'll blow your mind because I've never, ever revealed this to anyone else outside of my private clients. Let's get into this. When you talk about a customer to get a sale, the mindset is that I need you to come to your shop, to my shop. I need you to let me diagnose your car. I'll give you a quote. You approve the quote. I fix the car, collect the bill, and we're done. The sale is the transaction. But here's what's different. If you take the mindset of I need a sale to get a customer, think about it this way. Now that you have a customer, you've got a name. You know this person. You've got an address. You can send them follow-up thank you cards. You've got a contact phone number, and you can follow up with them just to confirm that you're interested in their well-being and you want to be sure that the job was done right. You've got an email address. That way, you can continue to stay in contact with them, and you've got a mobile phone number. So maybe you could send him a text message and maybe get him back in your shop in the next 90 days. Make sense? Did I miss anything? Is there any way that you continue to contact your customers? Go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. But if you take that mindset that it's not about the transaction of a sale, it's about creating a sale to get a customer. Now, I stopped because I can almost see you rolling your eyes. You're thinking to get a sale is to, drop your pants on an oil change and get, give away stuff and not make any money. It's not about that. In fact, auto repair shop owners should know that you need 3 types of offers. I call these assets because when you structure the offer right, you can then deploy them as required. You need a value offer, you need a decoy offer, and you need a new customer offer. But I told you at the end of this video I was going to tell you something that I only talk to my private clients about. And here it is. Do you realize that on average, it takes 3 visits to your shop to really create a customer? Think about this. How many times have you gone to a restaurant and been happy with the meal, had a great waitress, you probably tipped the waitress, walked out and said, I'm not going back there again? It's probably happened to you more times than you really want to think about. So what do you think is different about your customer who happens to stumble into your shop for whatever repair and leaves going, I don't know, am I going to come back? So understand that. You have to have a customer come back to you at least 3 times in order to consider them a customer. How do you do that? Well, you build up offers and strategies to follow up with them. And if you really need to know how to do that, just go down below to the links. How to double your car count in 89 days without wasting your hard-earned money on money-sucking advertising. I have a complete training course that's launching very shortly. And if you don't register, I don't know why. It's free. The only thing I ask of you on that course when you register for free is that you give me some feedback on what you think of the course, what I missed, or what you need more of. On that course, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your assets, how to build your value offer, your decoy offer, and your new customer offers. I'm going to show you how to actually get customers to leave positive reviews all the time. I'm going to show you how to manipulate those reviews, and I don't want to use the word manipulate in a derogatory way. I'm going to show you how to take that review and display it on your website for maximum impact. And then I'm actually going to show you how to get customers to send you their friends, coworkers, and associates, and a whole lot more. In fact, we just finished wrapping up videotaping on the Profits customer referral system. I'm giving it all away. And like I said earlier, if you don't want to take the course, I don't understand why. It's the only course available right now, totally free. So go in the links below and register for that training course. And for the 3 or 4 of you that are still watching this, go ahead and check out this video. And don't forget to hit that subscriber button, ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified first every time I release new information. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thanks for taking the time. Can't wait to see you on the next video.